So now we're going to look at the area of a kite. So a kite is a quadrilateral whose four sides can be grouped into two pairs of equal sides, adjacent equal sides. Okay, so a kite is something like this, whereas these two sides are equal and adjacent, and these two sides are equal and adjacent. And the formula for solving for the area is equal to half x, y, where x and y are the diagonals. So you can assign each one of these, either one can be x, either one can be y. And we remember that what this actually means here is that area equals half times x and times y. Or another way of thinking about it is that the area of a kite is equal to half times the product of its diagonals. Let's look at some examples. So we're asked to find the area of each kite, and it's kindly given us the formula. As we can see here, this 10 corresponds to this diagonal, and this 8 corresponds to this diagonal. So we know that it's half times 10 times 8, so half of 80 is equal to 40 centimeters squared. In this one again, this length is this diagonal, and this length is this diagonal. They've put in the 7, so we just need to add in the 15 and do half of 15 times 7, which is going to be equal to 52.5 centimeters squared. Put that in there, but it doesn't really fit. Okay, so let's look at some other ones now. So, first we write out our formula. Half times x times y. So, what's area? So A is equal to half times 6 times 19, which is going to be equal to 57 centimeters squared. B, remember our formula is A equals 1 over 2 times x times y, and either one of these can be x or y, so let's make u x and let's make u y. So A is equal to 1 over 2 times 31 times 15, which is equal to 232.5 centimeters squared. Again, A is equal to half times the diagonals x and y. We'll make u y, we'll make u x. So A equals 1 over 2 times 26 times 14. A is equal to 180 and 82 centimeters squared. So if you remember the formula, and remember that it is basically just the product, half of the product of the diagonals, you should be able to solve for any manner of kite that comes your way.